Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping what's currently draining performance. Open Task Manager, identify high CPU, high memory apps, and end unnecessary processes. This frees RAM immediately. Once done, check storage, delete large temp files, and uninstall unused programs to recover space, because low free disk slows paging. Make sure to plug in power and run a quick disk cleanup. Also backup essential files first, so you can test deeper fixes without risking data loss. Now move into deeper optimizations that change how the system behaves. Run a full antivirus scan to rule out malware, then update Windows or your OS and install the latest drivers for the chipset and GPU. Outdated drivers cause stutter. For HDD, defragment. For SSDs, ensure trim is enabled. Disable unnecessary startup items and set visual effects to prioritize performance so the CPU and GPU focus on tasks that matter. Once finish by validating hardware and preparing for escalation. Run RAM diagnostics and check drive smart data to detect failing components because hardware faults mimic slowness. If RAM or storage is saturated, upgrading to more memory or an SSD typically yields the biggest speed boost. Make sure thermal paste and fans are functioning. Thermal throttling reduces performance. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to see if lag persists and record error messages and timings so you can troubleshoot or brief a technician effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.